Right. Yes, welcome back everyone. I still remain Peter Brantley. Today, I'm going to take you through another simple aspect of report making actually in Excel. Last time, we defined the keywords and the key features used in Excel. So today, we're going to design a report card in Excel. So I have an Excel document here that I want us to work upon. So I have some marks here of some few students. So I want us to make get the total mark, the average mark, then the position, as well as the comments, of course. So for the total marks, we shall just say equals to total, of course, is the sum, right? Then you open brackets, say this, that, that, and that. Close brackets, then we press enter. So this is our total. The most interesting thing about Excel is that when you do a calculation for one thing, you just drag and the rest is all brought up. So for the average, we shall say equals to, uh, we can just say equals to, maybe we say, uh, we shall use the total, of course, to get the average. Average is total out of the number of subjects, and that's here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 4. So out of 4, press enter. That's the average here. So we come here and we drag. That's the beauty of it. Then when you get to the average, of course, I mean position. Position is more of a ranking. So we shall just say uh, rank, we open brackets, we shall use this very cell, put a comma, then we cell refresh this very cell again to where, to there, then put another comma. Our order will be, of course, descending order. Then for our ranking to actually work, we input dollar signs in between this. So actually, when we don't put a dollar sign, there's a way it's going to refer us and to something else. So in this way, we shall get the ranking. So just like I've told you, after getting that, you come and you drag. So that's the position of each and every student. Then for the comment, this is just some simple logic, but we shall manage it. So for the rank, we shall say if, in brackets, if, now the logical test, if, let's use the what? The average, of course. If the average is greater than or equals to 60, let's say 60, we put a comma, in open quotation, we shall say promoted. We close our quotations, we put another comma. If not, we say not promoted. So anything less than, so if a student has an average mark less than 60, of course that student will not be promoted. And if that student has a mark greater than 60, will automatically be promoted. So that is it. Then we come and we as usual, we we drag. What's happening? We come and we drag. So this is basically how a report is created in Excel. So just like I've told you, I still remain Peter Brantley. When you watch the video and you like it, please hit that thumbprint, the Museveni symbol, this. Then you can like, yeah, you can as well comment. Otherwise, thanks very much for watching. I still remain Pido Brandy. See you again next time.